Hi guys, today's lesson is 3-4, solving multi-step inequalities. These are our two objectives for today. Copy them and check them off as you understand them. So I'm going to solve an inequality, but this is a word problem. So you're going to write and solve an inequality, and you're going to follow all the steps that we follow for a word problem. This problem is on page 187 in your textbook. We're going to start with the let statement, and the let statement is let L be the length in feet. Remember to be as specific with the units as you can. And then we start writing the equation, the inequality rather. So since perimeter has to be less than 42 or at most 42, 2L plus 2W is going to be 42. And you solve just like an equation. You multiply, you remove the constant, and you get your answer as L is less than or equal to 9. So you're going to answer in a sentence, and the sentence will say that the length of the garden must be less than 9 feet. We did some of this practice in class earlier. So when you solve inequalities, just like equations, you can have three different types of solutions. You can get the regular solution, which you're used to seeing, or you can get a solution where all real numbers are the answers, as well as inequalities where there are no solutions. So this is how you're going to answer each one. Let's say we have this inequality, 10 minus 8a is greater than or equal to 2 times 5 minus 4a. You're first going to distribute, and then it looks like the left side is equal to the right side, but you need to remove the variable first. So you're going to add 8a to both sides, and then it becomes 10 is greater than or equal to 10. And then you have to ask yourself, is 10 greater than or equal to 10? And if it is true, you're going to write that all real numbers are solutions to this inequality. Here's the next one. We have 3n plus 8 is less than negative 6n minus 1. So you remove the lower variable, you add 6n to both sides, and it turns out that 9n is less than negative 9, and then n is less than negative 1. And you leave your answer just like that because you actually have an answer. All numbers that are less than negative 1 are part of the solution. In the next one, we have an inequality where there are some like terms on either side that need to be combined. So you combine the like terms on the right side, and it turns out that 6m minus 5 is greater than 6m plus 7. Now you subtract 6m from both sides, and I need to see this step. It turns out that negative 5 is greater than 7, and now you have to think to yourself, is negative 5 greater than 7? In this case it's false, so this inequality has no solution, and you're going to write no solution. If you want, you should also start using the symbol for no solution. So right next to no solution, you're going to make your symbol for no solution. I want you to try these for your assignment tonight, and I'll see you in class tomorrow. Goodbye.